Okay, friends, welcome to IACA. So, friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grant Test number 52 Reasoning Explanation. So, friends, take your first question. Friends, here, question number 1 to 5. 8 tracks which are one over the other have textbooks of either English, Maths, or History. Yes, friends, check. So, friends, total here we are having 3 subjects. Total here we are having 3 classes. So, what the given subject? Here they given English. Next, they given Maths. Next, they given History. They given History. Next, what are the classes they given? 8th class. Next, 9th class and 10th class. Each rack has book of only one subject of only one class. Yes, each rack we are going here we are having only one subject and one class. Leave it. The racks are number 1 to 8 from bottom to top. Yes, friends again. So the finish part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leave it. Take a first point. Both the lowermost and topmost racks have the books of same subject. Now, so top and bottom, these two having the same subject. These two having the same subject. Yes, leave it. Next one. Next one is one. The racks not here. Friends, again. The racks do not have history book of class 9. Yes, friends, again. So friends, here they give total 3 subjects, they give total 3 classes. That means each class we are having 3 subjects. That means total 9 subjects. But each rack we are having only one subject. But here we are having only 8. But they give clue point is one. The racks do not have history book of 9th class. That means from 9th class here history book is not there. That means in 9th class we are having only 2 books, English and Maths. 8th class we are having 3 books. 10th class also we are having 3 books. Total 8 books. Leave it. Next one. So when they mention next point is one, the only subject of the class 9 kept above the rack 3 is Maths. Yes. So friends, here above rack 3 and above rack 3, from class 10th we are having only math subject. We are having only maths subject. Yes. So friends, here the again point is one, the only subject, see the only subject of class 10th kept above rack 3 is maths. Yes. So above rack 3 from 10th class we are having only math subject. That means remaining will comes below 3. Remaining will comes below 3. So below 3, that means these two are compulsory 10th class. Why means from 10th class total here we are having 3 subject. But above rack 3 we are having only maths. That means the remaining 3 will comes below rack 3. Leave it. Next one. See, rack 7 and 6 have a books of the same subject of class 9th and 10th respectively. 7th contains 9, 6 contains 10. Now 7 contains here 9. Now 6th contains here 10th. But above rack 3 from 10th class here we are having only maths. That means here 6th one is what? Maths. 6th one is what? Maths. If 6th one is maths means now 7th also maths. Why means 7 and 6 contain same subject. See here 7 and 6 contains books of same subject. Leave it. Next one. Rack 4 has a history book. Now friends, okay, rack 4 has a history book. Here we are having history. Here we are having history. Yes, leave it. Next one. For next point is one, friends, okay, English book of class 8 are above the English book of class 9. English of class 8 is class 8 is above the English of class 9. Next one. Friends, here the maths book of class 8 are immediately below the book of another subject of class 8. So leave it about that point. Now friends, take care. Now our requirement is one, 8th and first rack contains same subject and same subject. Same subject means here maths no chance. Why means maths already 2 completed. History also no chance. Why means here history is present from only 8th class and only 10th class. In 9th class history is not there. Already one history is completed. There is chance for one more history. That means for history also no chance for first and 8. Then only possibility is what? English. Only possibility is what? English. This one is what? Here English. Now this one also here English. This one also here English. Yes. Now friends, see this one is English means now from 10th class maths completed, English completed. Remaining is what? History. Remaining is what? Here history. Next. Next one is what? Class 8 of English is above the class 9 of English. That means this one is compulsory. Class 8 of English. Class 8 of English. Now they give one more point is what? The maths book of class 8 is immediately below the book of another subject of class 8. So maths of class 8 is immediately below the book of another subject from class 8. Now maths here chance, here chance. If I take your maths of class 8 is immediately below the class 8, no chance. Now the funny part here, maths, the funny part maths, this is from class 8, it is immediately below the book of class from 8th class. Yes. Next one, next remaining is one, friends, check here. Friends, now remaining is part in 8th class 3 books completed, 10th class 3 books completed. Next one is part in 9th class maths completed, remaining is part English. Now the funny part here, English from 9th class, 8th class English is above the 9th class English. Yes, this is the given arrangement. Now take question number 1. See here, question number 1 is what, which of the following combination of rack numbers has a textbook of class 8? So class 8 racks, 8th rack, next one is what, class 8, next one is what, 4th rack, next one is what, 3rd rack. Check once. 8 4 3, here 3 8 is there. Yes, so in the rack number 3 and 8, here we kept here 8th class book. Yes, first one is chance. Next rack 5 and 4, no chance. Next 8 and 5, no chance. Next 2 and 8 also no chance. Then answer is part option A. Question number 1, option A. Question number 2, how many racks are below the English textbook of class 9? Below the English textbook of class 9, how many here we are having? 1 2 3 4. Yes, total here we are having 4. Question number 2, option C. Question number 3, friends, check. Which of the following pair of rack numbers have English textbooks? English textbooks. One is for 8th rack, friends, check. One is for 8th rack, English, and next one is for 5th rack. Next one is for 1st rack. 8 5 1, 3 8 no chance, 2 8 no chance, 2 5 no chance, 1 5 1 5. Rack 1 and rack 5 having English class textbooks. Yes, then answer is for option D. So question number 3, answer is for option D. Question number 4, how many racks are there in between racks which has maths book of class 9 and 8? Maths book of class 9 and class 8. This one is for class 9 maths, this one is for class 8 maths. Between how many books we are having? 3 books. So question number 4, answer is for option D. See here, question number 4, answer is option D. Question number 5, which of the following is true? Leave it. Take first one. Both racks 5 and 4 have a books of the same subject. 5 and 4 have the books of same subject. No. Next one is for both the racks 2 and 3 have books of the same subject. 2 and 3. No. Next one. Rack 8 has a book of 8th class. See here. Rack 8 has a books of 8th class. Yes, this one is true. That means answer is for only third one is true. Only third one is true me. Then answer is for here option C. So question number 5, answer is for option C. Question number 6 to 7. Friends, here the again question is from directions. Take here. Point P is 12 meter north of point R. Point P is 12 meter north of point R. Next one. Which is means for R is 6 meter. Friends, here R is 6 meter east of U. Friends, here R is 6 meter east of U1. R is 6 meter east of U. Yes, leave it. Next one. Next one is for friends, here. Point UV is midpoint of V and Q. UV is midpoint of U1 Q1. UV is midpoint of U1 Q. Now the given is what? UV is midpoint of here V and Q. V and Q. So friends, here V is midpoint of V and Q. Here V and Q no chance. If I take like this, if I take here like this, UV is the midpoint of V. UV is the midpoint of here V and Q. Otherwise Q and V. Yes, possibility. Next one. Next one is what? Point P is a midpoint of T and S. Now P is midpoint of T and S. Like this means no chance. That means left to right there is chance to take. Now point S is 8 meter. Point S is 8 meter north of Q. Leave it. Point T is east of point P. Now friends, check it. T is east of point P. T is east of point P. But point P is, friends, check it. Point P is exactly mid between. See here. P is exactly mid between T and S. Then this one is T. Now this one is what? Here, yes. Now friends, the given clue point is what? See here. UV is exactly between V and Q. UV is exactly between V and Q. But they give distance. S is 8 meter. S is 8 meter north of point Q. S is 8 meter north of point Q and S is 8 meter north of point Q. If I take this one is Q, S is 8 meter, see here, UV is exactly mid between V and Q means here VQ, otherwise QV. But S is 8 meter north of Q, no chance. Why mean this one only 12 means, now this entire is 8, no chance. Now take this one is spot Q, now this one is spot here V. Now UV is exactly between Q and V. Now S is 8 meter, S is 8 meter north of Q, yes. Total is what? 12. This one is 8 means remaining is what? 4 meter. This one is 4 means this one also compulsory 4. Why means here UV is exactly mid of Q and V. Yes, this is the given one. Now from check it. This one is 6 meter. This one also compulsory 6. But P is exactly mid. This one is 6 means this one also compulsory 6. Now take question. Question number 6. What is the direction of point V with respect to R? Direction of point V with respect to R. Then east, west, north, south. Answer is what? Southwest. Answer is what? Southwest. Question number 6. Answer is option C. Question number 7. If there is a point X, which is 5 meter east of S. So point X is there, which is 5 meter, east of S. Now this one is part X. Now total is part 6. This one is part 5. That means this one is part 1. Now question is part. Then what is the shortest distance between from point U and point X? Now distance between point U and point X and shortest distance between point U and X. Now take here imaginary lines. This one is part here right angle triangle. Friends, here hypotenuse we don't know. This one is 5 me. This one also compulsory 5. This one also compulsory 5. Now friends, check here. This total is part. This one is part here 12. This one is part 12 me. This one also compulsory 12. Yes. Hypotenuse square equal to one side is part 12 square. Other side is part 5 square. 12 square 144 plus 25. Then answer is part 169. H equal to plus or minus 13. Then answer is part 13. So question number 7. Answer is part option B. Take here. Question number 8 to 10. Friends, take here given statement. See here, R less than X, X less than or equal to L. Now friends, check here. Next one is what? M less than or equal to D, D less than or equal to R. See here, M less than or equal to D, D less than or equal to R. Next one is what? Friends, check here. D less than or equal to D less than or equal to P. Next one is what? P less than C. Take conclusion number 1. Here C and R. C and R less than is what? C greater than P, greater than or equal to P, less than or equal to R. Both are opposite, can't say. X and P relation is what? P greater than or equal to D, less than or equal to R, less than X. Here again, opposite, can't say. M and C relation is what? Friends, check here. M less than or equal to D, D less than or equal to P, less than C. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than. So M less than C, third one is true. Then answer is what? Only third one. Answer is what? Only third one. Only third one is true means answer is what? Option C. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 9. Take here given statement. Friends, here X less than or equal to V. Next V less than W. W equal to Z. Now first one, second one common is what? Here V. Now U less than or equal to V and U less than or equal to V. Next one. Next one is what? N less than Z. Friends, here N is less than Z. Z less than M. Take first conclusion. See here, U and M. U and M relation is what? Friends, check here. U and M. U less than or equal to V, less than W, equal to Z, less than M. Less than or equal to, less than, again, less than equal, less than. Now, U less than M. Then first one is true. Second one, N and V. N and V, one check here. V less than W, W equal to Z, greater than V. Both are opposite, can't say. Z and X. Z and X relation is what? Less than or equal to, less than, equal to, less than. X less than Z, X less than Z, then Z is greater than X here. X less than Z, otherwise Z greater than X. Then answer is what? 1 and 3 are true. 1 and 3 are true means answer is what? Option A. Question number 9, option E. Question number 10, friends, take here given statement. See here. M less than or equal to, friends, here the given one is what? M less than or equal to C, C equal to D. Now friends, here next one is what? L less than M, L less than M, M greater than or equal to K. Next one, Y less than D, friends, here Y less than D. Next one is what? D less than or equal to Z. Take first conclusion. See here, L and D. L and D relation is what? Less than or equal to, equal to. Result is what? Less than. So L less than D, first one is true. Z and M. less than or equal to, equal to, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So m less than or equal to z, then z is greater than or equal to m. Second one is true. Y and k. So k less than or equal to m less than or equal to c, equal to d, greater than y. Both are opposite, can't say. Answer is part 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means answer is part option B. Question number 10, option B. Question number 11 to 15, friends, okay. 8 student Shivam, Sumit, Rani, Kavita, Dani, Gunjan, next Aman and Ankit are sitting around a rectangular table such a way that one student sit on each corner of the table and one person sit on the middle of the each side, but not necessarily in the same order. The one who sit at the corner of the table facing opposite to the center, the one who sit at the middle of the table facing toward the center. Yes. So totally we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, 4 of them sitting at middle, remaining 4 is sitting at corner. Those one who is sitting at middle, corners are facing outside and middle is facing inside. Middle is facing inside. Yes, leave it. Next one. So friends, see here, students sitting on opposite sides are exactly opposite to each other. Leave it. Now, Rani and Gunjan are facing each other. They are facing each other. And suppose if you take Rani and Gunjan, these two are facing each other. No. Suppose if I take different spot, Rani, different spot, Rani. Next one is spot, this one is spot, Gunjan. Now Rani and Gunjan both are facing each other. Yes, they are facing each other. Yes. Next one. Next point is point. Only 2 persons in between Kavita and Rani. Rani 1 to Kavita chance. Rani 1 to Kavita also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Take one more possibility. Friends, here. Totally we are having 8 members. Totally we are having 8 members. Next, 4 of them sitting at middle. Next, facing inside. Remaining 4 is at corners are facing outside. Are facing here outside. Next one, check here. Next, friends, here. They given this one is part here. Rani, this one is part here. Rani. Now this one is part here. Gunjan, this one is part here. Gunjan. Next, they give next point is part 2 persons in between Kavita and Rani. Now Rani 1 to this one is part here. Kavita, this one is part here. Kavita. Otherwise, Rani 1 to different spot here. Kavita, this one is Kavita. Leave it. Go for next point. 1 person between Kavita and Sumit. Between Kavita and Sumit, we are having 1 person who is not adjacent to Gunjan. Sumit is not adjacent to Gunjan. Now, Kavita 1 person, Sumit no chance. Sumit is not neighbor of Gunjan. Now, Kavita 1 person different spot here. Sumit, this one spot here. Sumit. Now, Kavita 1 person, Sumit no chance. Why means Sumit is not neighbor of Gunjan. Kavita, 1 person is funny spot here. Sumit, this funny spot here. Sumit. Yes, leave it. Next one. For next point is point here. Number of persons sitting between Gunjan and Shivam is same as number of persons sitting between Dani and Shivam. Yes, leave it. Only 2 persons are sitting between Aman and Ankit. Between Aman and Ankit here we are having 2%. Then only possibilities are Aman and Ankit here chance, here also chance. Next. Only 2 persons in between Aman and Ankit when counted from left of Aman, and Ankit is not adjacent to Sumit. Ankit is not adjacent to Sumit. Suppose if I take here Ankit, this one is for Ankit, this one is for Aman. Between Ankit and Aman here we are having 2 members, but see when counted from left of Aman, this one is for right, no chance. Next. When the given is for Ankit is not adjacent to Sumit, then Ankit here no chance. Ankit here no chance. Suppose if I take this one is for Aman, this one is for here Aman. Left of Aman 1 2, this one is for here Ankit, this one is for here Ankit. Between Ankit and Aman here we are having 2 members counted from left of Aman. In this case 2 members means possibilities are here these 2 possibilities, next these 2 also possibility, but Ankit is not neighbor of see here Ankit is not neighbor of Sumit. Ankit here no chance. Ankit here no chance means suppose friends, if I take this one is for Aman, this one is for here Aman. Now this one is for Ankit no chance. Why means this one is for right side, our requirement is for left side. So this one is for here Ankit. So between Aman and Ankit here we are having 2 members counting from left of Ankit. Yes, this is the only possibility. Next, this is the only possibility. Leave it. Next point. The again before point is what? Number of persons sitting between Gunjan and Shivam. Gunjan and Shivam. Friends, Gunjan and Shivam is same as between Dani and Shivam. Between Dani and Shivam. Yes. In this case, Gunjan and Shivam is same as Dani and Shivam. Gunjan and Shivam is same as Dani and Shivam. Now, this one is Gunjan. Now, suppose if I take this one is for Shivam, 1 person Dani, no chance. Then this arrangement is wrong. Now, So for Gunjan and friends for Dani here middle is what here middle one is what they given one is what Shivam they given one is what Shivam. See here number of persons sitting between Gunjan and Shivam is same as between Dani and Shivam. For Gunjan and Dani here common person is what Shivam. Then Shivam should becomes middle of Gunjan and Dani. Now this one is Gunjan. Now this one is what here Shivam. This one is what Shivam. Now this one is what here Dani. This one is what here Dani. Now take care given entire information. This is the one. Now take questions. Question number 11. What the position of Sumit with respect to Dani? Position of Sumit with respect to Dani. First right, second right. Answer is what? Second to the right. Answer is what? Here, second to the right hand. Answer is what? Second to the right. See here. Position of Sumit with respect to Dani. Sorry. Position of Sumit with respect to Dani. First right, second and third right. Answer is what? Third to the right. Yes. Answer is what? Third to the right. Option B. But don't take option B. Why means they given B and D also. Check for fifth one. Fifth left off. Fifth left. Sumit is third right of Dani, otherwise fifth left of Dani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then answer is what? Option E. So question number 11. Answer is what? Option E. Question number 12. Who sits second right of the one who sits opposite to Aman? Opposite to Aman is what? Dani. For Dani, second right. First right, second right is what? Rani. So answer is what? Rani. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 12. Option A. Question number 13. Who are facing opposite to the center? Who are facing opposite to the center here? Ankit, Shivam, Sumit, Kavita. So friends here, Aman is facing inside, leave it. Ankit is facing. Friends here, Ankit is facing here, outside. Yes, second option chance. Shivam also facing outside, third option also chance. Dani is facing inside. No, then answer is what? Second and third. Second and third means answer is what? Option C. Option C. So friends here, question number 13, answer is what? Option C. Question number 14, who says third right of Sumit? Third right of Sumit. 1, 2, 3, Dani. So question number 14, answer is what? Option D. Question number 15, 4 of the following 5 are alike. That means out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Gunjan and Dani. Gunjan and Dani. Between Gunjan and Dani, here we are having 1%. Leave it. Next one. Aman Gunjan. 1%. Next one. Rani Aman. Friends here. Rani Aman 1 member. Next. Friends here. Rani Aman also 1 member. Ankit Kavita. Friends, Ankit and Kavita both are opposite. Dani Rani here 1 member. Yes. So except fourth option, remaining all option for first person, second person we are having 1 gap. But here Ankit and Kavita both are opposite. So question number 15, answer is what? Option D. Question number 16. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word category? Friends here. C-A-T-A-G-O-R-Y. Category. Each of which has many letters between them in the word. In the English alphabetical series, consider both forward and reverse. Now, alphabetical form. After C, what will come? D. Next, E, F, G. That means C to G pair is matched. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. No. After A, B, C, D, E. No. After T there is no letter. Y is there. T. Next, U, V, W, X, Y. That means here T to Y is pair. Next one. E, F, G, H, I. No. After G, no. Next. After O, P, Q, no. Next R, S, no. That means forward we are having 2 pairs. Take in the words. After Y, Z. Then completed. Don't take A. After R, S, T, U, no. Not there. After O, P, Q, R, S, no. After G, H, I, J, K, no. After E, F, G, H, no. T, no. After A, no. That means only we are having 2 pairs. Question number 16, option D. Question number 17 to 19. Here they again questions are from syllogism. Take here given statement. No blue is a apple. Friends, check here. Blue. This no blue is a apple. No blue is a apple. Next one. All books. See here. No blue is a apple. Next. All books are given. All books are given. Leave it. Some given are apple. Friends, check here. Given. Some given are apple. Next one is what? All books are given. Friends, check here. Take care. Books. This all books are given. All books are given. Next. Only few red are apples. That means some red is a apple. Some red is a apple. Next. Some part of red is not apple. Some part of red is not apple. Leave it. Take first conclusion. Some red are given. Some red are given. Red and given relation is what? Can't say. First one is what? Wrong. Second one. Some apple are book. Apple and book relation is what? Can't say. Wrong. Next one. All red are apple is a possibility. We know some part of red is not apple. Then all red are apple is a possibility. Wrong. Then answer is what? Open check. Answer is what? None follows. Answer is what? None follows means answer is option D. Question number 17. Option D. Question number 18. The given statement is same. Statement is same. Take your given conclusions. All given can be blue. All given can be blue. And friends, we know no apple is a blue. No apple is a blue means in blue here, in apple here, given is some part. That means we know already some part of given is not blue. Then all given being blue is a possibility. Wrong. Yes. Then first one is wrong. Second one. Some books are blue. Here some books are blue. Books and blue relation is what? Can't say. Wrong. Next one. All red can be blue. All red can be blue. We know no apple is a blue. In apple red is some part. Some part of red is not blue. Then all red or blue is a possibility also. Wrong. Then answer is what? None follows. Question number 18. Option D. Question number 19. Take your given statement. Only few slim are people. Friends, take a slim. Some slim is a people. Some slim is a people. At the same time, some part of slim is not people. Next. Some gods are banned. Next. All banned are people. Yes, friends, take care. Banned. This all banned are here. People. All banned are people. Next. Some gods are banned. Friends, gods. Friends, gods. Some gods are banned. Next one. All gods are tall. Friends, gods. These all gods are here. Tall. Next. Take first conclusion. Some tall are banned. Yes, some part of tall is mixed with banned. So first one is true. Second one. Some people are gods. Friends, some part of people is mixed with God. Yes. Next one. Some tall are slim. Tall and slim relation is what? Can't say. Answer is what? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means answer is what? Option B. Question number 19. Option B. Question number 22, 24. Sige. Take question number 20 here. How many elements are there between at the rate and the one which is third left of M? Third left of M. 1, 2, 3. That means between O and between at the rate. How many elements are there? Then you should count letters, symbols, and number, each and everything. And element means what? Everything. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So answer is what? 17 elements are there. Question number 20. Option A. Question number 21. What is the position of N? What is the position of N with respect to copyright? Position of N with respect to copyright. First left, by default they are facing north and by default they are facing north. Position of N with respect to copyright. Sige, facing north means left hand and right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th left. Answer is what? 15th to the left. Answer is option C. Question number 21. Option C. Question number 22. How many symbols are there? Friends, take here. Symbols. Take here. Symbols. How many symbols are there? How many symbols are there? Which are immediately preceded by vowel. Preceding means what? Before. Before by vowel. And immediately followed. Followed means what? After. After by consonant. Check here. Symbol before vowel. Symbol before vowel followed by consonant 1. Next. Symbol before vowel. No. Symbol before vowel followed by consonant. Yes, 2. Next. Symbol before vowel. No. Symbol before no. Symbol before no. Next. Symbol before vowel followed by consonant. Symbol before no. Next. Symbol before no. Next one is what? Yes, symbol before vowel followed by consonant. Yes. Next one. Symbol before then no. That means answer is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. So answer is what? 4. Question number 22. Answer is option B. 22. Answer is option B. Question number 23. Which among the following element is 16 to the left of 8th from right hand? Both are opposite. Opposite means what? Add. So total is what? 24th from, question is ending with right hand. 24th from right hand. From right hand 24th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Answer is what? V. Question number 23. Answer is option C. Question number 24. What the sum of the place values according to the English alphabetical order of the element which is ninth element from the left hand, ninth from left hand. Sige 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth one is part here n. Friends, sige ninth one is part here n. N face value is part 14. Next one is part 10th element from right hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th element is part O face value is part 15. 14 plus 15 is part 29. Question number 24 answer is part 29. Question number 25 to 29. Sige 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and H live at 7 different floors of the building in such a way that ground floor is number 1, topmost floor is part, above it is number 2, topmost is part 7. Yes. Now ground floor is number 1. Friends, okay. Ground floor is number 1, above it is 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6, topmost is part 7. Leave it. Next one. Each one of them like different colors. They given different colors. Leave it. A lives at even number floor and likes blue color. So A lives at even number floor means for A 6th chance, 4th chance, 2 also chance. Leave it. Next. 3 person live between A and the one who likes orange. A lives in an even number floor, but between A and orange, 3 persons will live. Suppose if I take here A, now 1, 2, 3, different is part here orange, different is part here orange. Suppose if I take A is 4th floor, between A and orange, here we are having 3 floors. A 1, 2, 3, orange no chance. 1, 2, 3, orange no chance. That means 4th floor no chance for A. Next, one more possibility is what? 2nd floor. If I take here A, now our requirement is what? Friends, again between A and orange color, here we are having 3 floors. Now A 1, 2, 3, different is part orange, different is part here orange. Yes, leave it. A lives at even number floor and likes blue color. Now A likes here blue color, here also A likes here blue color. Leave it. Go for next point. The one who likes green color is just above the one who likes red color. Green is just above the red. Green is just above the red. Next one. More than 2 person live between the one who likes orange and D. So between orange and D, more than 2. That means minimum we are having 3 members between orange and D. Orange. Next 1, 2, 3. Now this is the only possibility for D. Why means between orange and D, here we are having more than 2. That means minimum we are having 3 members. Now this one is orange 1, 2, 3. This one is compulsory possibility for D. Why means between orange and D, here we are having more than 2 persons. Yes, leave it. Next one. For next point is what? Friends, okay, the one who likes purple color is just below C. Purple is, friends, purple color is, the one who likes purple color is just below C. Just below C. Yes, purple is just below C and purple is just below C. The one who likes purple color is just below C. Who does not like red color? That means here C does not like red color and C does not like red color. Leave. 3 person live between the one who likes red color and H. Between red and H, here we are having 3 members. Here we are having 3 members. Yes, take this point. Between red and H, here we are having 3 members. Now, green and red both are immediates. Suppose if I take this one is part green, this one is part red. So, green is immediately above red. The given is part, the one who likes green color is just above red. Then green, this one is part red. If I take this one is part red, between red and H, 3 members. Red, 1, 2, 3, H no chance. Below also no chance. Suppose if I take this one is part green, this one is part red. Between red and H, 3 members. Red, 1, 2, 3, no chance. 1, 2, 3, H also no chance. Then this possibility is wrong. Now, suppose one check. If I take this one is part here, green, this one is part red. So green, red means part between red and H, 3 members. Red, 1, 2, 3, H no chance. Down also no chance. Then take this one is part green. Green is just above red. Between red and H, 3 members. Red, 1, 2, 3. This one is part here H. This one is part here H. Yes, leave it. Next point. For next point is part. Friends, purple is immediately below C. Purple is immediately below C. So friends, if I take this one is part C, then this one is part purple. This one is part here purple. Now purple is immediately below C. Purple is immediately below C. Next here also chance. Leave it. The given is one. The one who likes purple color is just below C. Next, leave it. Now C does not like here red color. Next, leave it. E lives above F. E lives above F. Now friends, again E is above F and E is above F. We don't know whether it is immediate or not. Next, Who live just below B? That means who lives means what? F live just below B and. That means B and F both are immediates. B and F both are immediates. Yes, leave it. Not more than one person is live between the one who likes purple and the one who likes yellow. Between purple and yellow, not more than one. That means maximum we are having 1%. Maximum we are having 1%. Yes. Now take this one. Purple is immediately below C. Purple is immediately below C. Suppose if I take from this part, see here purple no chance. This is the only possibility. C now the one is part here purple. Now purple is immediately below C. Our requirement is one B and F both are immediates. B is just above F. E is above B. Now this is the only possibility. B is just above F. Next E is above B. E is above B. Yes. Next one. Friends, here they given is one not more than one person live between the one who likes purple and yellow. Purple and yellow. Then this one is what? Purple. This one is what? Yellow. Between yellow and purple, maximum we are having 1%. Yes. Next remaining color is what? Take remaining color. Red, green, blue, yellow, orange. Remaining is what? White. Remaining is what? White. Yes, this one is what? White. Take here question number 25. Who among the following person lives at fourth floor? Who lives at the fourth floor? B. So question number 25. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 26. Who among the following person like white color? Who likes white color here? D. So question number 26. Answer is option D. Question 27. How many persons live between F and H? Between F and H, how many persons live? 1, 2, 3. 3 members. Question number 27. Answer is option A. Question number 28. Who among the following person live just below A? Just below A. Who lives here? D. White. D. White. So answer is what? White color. So question number 28. Answer is option E. Question number 29. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and form a group. Find the one does not belongs. Out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now, H. H is even or odd? See, H is at odd floor. H is at odd. Next one. E. E is at odd. Next one. F. F is at odd. Next A. A is at even. A is at even. Next one is what? D. D is at odd. Then simple answer is what? A. Answer is what? Here A. Y means H, E, F, D and see H, E, F, D all are at odd number floor, but A is at even number floor. So question number 29. Answer is what? Option D. Friends, check next question. Question number 32, 34. See A to G are sitting in a straight line facing north, but not necessarily in the same order. Each one of them live on different floors in the same building, which is numbered 1 to 7. Yes, that means they given sitting arrangement. At the same time, they given floor. They given floor. Then both by combining both, I will take it. Now take a total here we are having how many members? Total 7 members are sitting in a line and they are facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members and they are facing north. They are facing north. Yes, leave it. Now take your first point. Next, each one of them lives on the different floors in the same building, which is number 1 to 7. Leave it. Y means here only I will take floors. Next one. B sits fourth left of the person who lives on the 6th floor. B is fourth left of the one who lives on the 6th floor. Either B or 6th floor is sit at the extreme end. Now, B, take a different spot. B. Now, B is fourth left of 6th floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different spot. Here, 6th floor. Yes. Now B is take a 6th floor just. B is fourth left of the one who lives on the 6th floor, but maybe B or 6 is at the extreme end. One possibility B is at extreme end, 6 also at extreme end. Take one more possibility. Friends, check it. Total here we are having 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. All are facing north. Next one is part. If I take 6th floor is at extreme end. Now B is fourth left of 6th floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is what? Here B. Leave it. Next one. See here. B sits fourth left of the person living on the 6th floor. Next, either B or 6th floor is at the extreme end. One person between B and G. Between B and G, 1%. B and G, 1%. Now B and G 1% means now B 1% G here chance. B 1% G here also chance. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friend, G lives in the 3rd floor. G lives in the 3rd floor. Take in this case, G lives in the 3rd floor. But here we are having for G 2 possibilities. Leave it. Next one. The person who lives on the 1st floor sits 3rd right of D. 1st floor is 3rd right of D. 1st floor is 3rd right of D. Yes, see. First floor is third right of D. Leave it. Next one. D is not immediate neighbor of G. D is not immediate neighbor of G. And so D is not immediate neighbor of G. D is not immediate neighbor of G. Suppose friends, see, if I take this possibility for G, if I take this possibility for G, see, for G here we are having two possibilities. If I take this one, now D is not neighbor of G, then D no chance. Then this is the possibility for D. If I take a D, first right, second right, third right, first floor, no chance. See, the one who lives on the first floor, third right of D, but D is not neighbor of G. Here D no chance. If I take D here means first right, second right, third right. Here first floor no chance. This one is what? Sixth floor. That means for G here no chance. For G here no chance. Yes. That means this one is fixed for G. If I take this one is what? G lives in the third floor. G lives in the third floor. Now first floor sits third right of D. First floor sits third right of D. Suppose and check if I take D here, then first right, second right, third right. Here chance. If I take a D, first right, second right, third right, no chance. First floor. Next D no chance here. That means this is the only possibility. If I take a D, first right, second right, third right. This one is what? First floor. This one is what? First floor. Now in the possibility, D is not neighbor of G. D here no chance. Here no chance. If I take this one is for D, first floor is third right of D. There is no chance. Then this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. Leave it. Next point. For next point is what? Only one person sit between. Only 1% sit between E and the one who lives on the second floor. Between E and second floor, here we are having only 1%. Here we are having only 1%. Yes. So here we are having possibilities. Leave it. Now A and C are immediate neighbors of each other. A and C are immediate neighbors of each other. So A and C are immediate means this is the only chance. But A does not live on the sixth floor. That means this one is part here A, this one is part C. A and C are immediate of each other. A and C are immediate neighbors. Next, A does not belongs to sixth floor. Next, one who lives on the fifth floor is third right of the one who lives on the seventh floor. Fifth floor is third right of seventh floor. Then only possibility is what? Fifth is third right of seventh. If I take seventh, 1, 2, 3, no. Then this one is what? Fifth floor. Then this one is what? Here, fifth floor. Fifth floor is third right of seventh floor. Yes. If I take this one is seventh floor. First right, second right, third right is what? Fifth floor. Fifth floor is third right of the one who lives on the seventh floor. Yes. They again one more clue point is what? 1% live between E and the one who lives on the second floor. Between E and second floor, one members. Suppose E here chance, E here chance. E 1%, second floor, no chance. Then this one is what? E 1%, this one is what? Second floor. This one is what? Here, second floor. Now remaining person is what? A completed, B completed, C. Next remaining D. Next one is what? Here, F. Now floor is what? First completed, remaining is what? Second completed, remaining is what? Fourth floor. Remaining is what? Fourth floor. Yes, this is the given arrangement. Take question. Question number 30. Who among the following person lives on the fourth floor? Fourth floor, who lives here? D. So question number 30. Answer is what? Here, D, and answer is what? D. So answer is D, not there. Who sits immediate right of G? No. B, C, no. One who sits immediate left of F. Immediate left of F. D. Yes. He is in the fourth floor. Yes. Question number 30. Option D. 31. On which of the following floor does E lives? E lives on the which floor? First floor. Question number 31. Option A. Question number 32. How many floors are there between floor on which F and A lives? Between F and A, how many floors we are having? F is what? Second floor. Next one is what? A is what? Fifth floor. Between second and fifth, how many floors we are having? Here 3, 4. That means here we are having 2 floors and here we are having 2 floors. So question number 32. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 33. Which of the following is true with respect to the given arrangement? The one who lives on the fifth floor is immediate neighbor of D. Fifth floor is what? A. A and D are immediates. No. First one is no chance. F lives on the first floor. F, no. Second floor. E is second left of the one who lives on the second floor. E is second left of second floor. Friends, E is second left of second floor. No. Next one. C and F are immediates. C and F are immediates. No. Then simple answer is what? Last one. Y means first four are wrong means answer is fifth one. Check once. The one who lives on the fourth floor is immediate left of F. Fourth floor is what? D. D is immediate left of F. Question number 34. If all the persons are made to live in a alphabetical order from bottommost to top and bottommost to top, A lives on the first floor. A lives on the first floor. Next. Now friends check here. Suppose Instead of taking like this, now take floors and take floors. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, net funny spot 1. Then first floor, who lives here? First floor, E, net funny spot. Second floor, F. Third floor is part G. Fourth floor is part, friends again. Fourth is part D. Fifth is part here A. Sixth one is part, friends again. Sixth floor C. Next seventh one is part here B. Now, the given question is part, friends again. If all the persons are made to live in the alphabetical order from bottom to topmost, next that means funny spot here A, B, C, D, next E, funny spot here F, funny spot here G. Then who would be still on the same floor of the original arrangement? So A and E, B, F, C, G, D and D. Yes. So if they are if they are going to arranging in alphabetical order, before and after D position is same, then which of the following is constant? Which of the following is constant means D. So question number 34, answer is what? Option C. Question number 35. In a certain code language, brothers, BRO, next THERS. Brothers is to be written as RC, TP, EI, SS. Then how? Directions to be written as DI, RE, CTI, ONS. Now, friends, check here. Take here. Given logic is what? Here B plus 1 is what? C plus 1. Next one is same. Again O plus 1 is what? P. Next one is again same. Now H plus 1 is what? I. Next plus 1. Next one is same. Next R plus 1. Yes. Next one is same. That means here first one is plus 1. Next one is what? Same but cross and. Now first one is what? Plus 1. D plus 1 is what? Here E. Next one is same. Next one plus 1. R plus 1 is what? Yes. Next one is same. Now C plus 1 is what? D. Next one is same. Next one is what? I plus 1 is what? J. Next one is same. N plus 1 is what? Here N plus N is what? 14 plus 1 is what? 15. O. Next one is same. Then check one's answer. IEEE. Next IEEE here. STD. OJ. SO. No. First one no chance. Then answer is what? Fourth one. IEEE, STD, OJ, SO. Yes. Question number 35, option D. Question number 36 to 38. There are 7 family members A, B, M, N, O, Y, and Z, and have 2 married couples. B is the brother-in-law of Y. B is brother-in-law of Y. Brother-in-law means possibility is what? Husband brother or Y brother. One more possibility is what? Sister's husband. So B is brother-in-law Y. Next and son of M. And qualifies here B. B is son of M and B is son of M. Take it. B is son of M. Next one. Next one is what? Here Z is sister-in-law of A. Take this one is what? Z is sister-in-law of A. Sister-in-law means what? Here spouse sister, otherwise brother's wife. Next leave it. Z is sister-in-law of A. Next M is grandfather of N. Now M is grandfather of N. M is grandfather of N. Leave it. O is the brother of N. Friends check here. O is the brother of N. O is the brother of N. Next. M has 2 children and only 1 son. M having 2 children but only 1 son. That means here B is only 1 son. That means here M having 1 more daughter. Next. Z is the mother of N. Z is the mother of N. Friends here. They given is what? Z is the mother of N. Next one is what? Who is the niece of A? That means here N is the niece of A. N is the niece of A. So friends here the next one is what? N is the niece of A. N is the niece of A. So friends here N is the niece of A means now A and B both are siblings. A and B both are siblings. Why means niece means what? Sibling daughter. So N is niece of A means now A and B both are siblings. A and B both are siblings. But the next one is what? Z is the mother of N. So Z is the mother of N. Next one is what? A is the wife of Y. Now A is the wife of Y. That means here Y is husband. Now B is brother-in-law of Y. Now the next one is what? Z is the mother of N. Z is the mother of N. Take this one is what? Z is the mother of N. Yes, this is the given entire information. Take your 36 question. How A is related to N? How A is related to N means answer is what? Aunt. See, N father is what? B. B sister is what? A. Answer is what? Aunt. Question number 36, option A. Question number 37. If G is the son of A, If G is the son of A, F and check it. G is the son of A, then how G is related to M? How G is related to M? Grandson. So question number 37, answer is option C. Question number 38, how Z is related to O? Friends check it. How Z is related to O and how Z is related to O here? Mother. Question number 38, answer is what? Option A. Question number 39, the positions of how many digits in the number 8679045 will remain same when the digits are arranged in the ascending order from left to right. Ascending order means what? Low to high. Arrange. Lowest number 0. Next after 0, next number 2. Next one is what? 3. Next 4. Next 5. 6. Next 7. Next one is what? 0 completed. Next one is what? 2 completed. 3 completed. Next 4. 5. Next one is what? Here 6. 7. We are having 2 sevens. We are having 2 7. Next one is what? Here 8. Next one is what? Here 9. So how many digits in the number will remain same? 80627394 no. Here there is no. So friends here how many digits positions are same and here none. Question number 39, answer is what? None. Option D. Question number 40, if it is possible to make a meaningful word with the first, second, third and sixth letter. So the given one is what? Complex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letter. First letter is what? C. Second letter is what? Here O. Next third letter is what? M. Sixth is what? Here E. So if it is possible to make a meaningful word with first, second, third and sixth letters of the word complex, each letter used only once, which would be the second letter of the word from the left hand. If more than one word can be framed, then Y is the answer. If no such word, then Z is the answer. Then, so by using this word, here we are able to frame come, C-O-M-E, come, yes. Any other? No. That means if we are able to frame only one word, second letter of the word is the answer. See, second letter of the word is the answer. Second letter is what? O. So answer is option C.